So let's thank all of these great business owners who came out. Let's encourage people to shop locally. You can find all of the businesses selling this book on our website, buffalofirst.org. And I'd like to now invite the Commissioner of Economic Development, Brian Riley, up to the podium to say a few words. Let's welcome Brian.
Thanks very much, Amy. On behalf of Mayor Brown, let me first just congratulate Buffalo First and all the volunteers and the business people that took part in this historic occasion. We know with gas prices, we're reminded with the financial crisis of the inefficiencies of our economic system. And what this book really shows us is that buying local is good all around, as Amy described. So we think that it's about recycling, keeping money in the local economy longer. And really the businesses in this book are what make Buffalo, Buffalo. You can't find them anywhere else. When you look around our commercial districts, even our home-based offices and artist spaces, these are the things that set Buffalo apart and make it unique and that you cannot find anywhere else. So it's important for the livelihoods of our business people, and we're very happy to work with many of them in the city, and we really applaud this organizing effort to bring real value to Buffalonians to live, work, and play in a city and a region that we think are the greatest. So we're excited to collaborate. We congratulate all the hard work that went into this, and we look forward to using the coupon book and for the whole year. We encourage people to get started right now in the holiday season to buy local and making an economic impact with their purchases. Thanks very much.